Alright. Hey, mister. So, you want the gorilla? Yeah, you.
The gorilla?
You want the gorilla?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, give me the money. Put it in my mouth. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, well, the gorilla's yours, sir. Alright, guys, well, see you. We got the money. So, see ya. Bye, guys.
Hey, Dr. Wolf. We got the package. We got the gorilla for 10 million. Yeah, he's here. Yeah, he's here. Yeah. You can come by in 10 minutes and pick him up. Okay. Okay, we'll stay here. Okay, bye. No, no. Oh, Dr. Walsh? Oh, good escape. We already paid the bird and the dude. No, don't find him, please. I'll find him. Okay, I'll have him back here in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Ah, dang.